Hi, and welcome to the second half of self leadership. I'm sure you guys have learned few new things in the first half and practiced because practice makes a man perfect. In the second half, we're going to discuss few more important things by which you can develop your personality and you can see the things and as a self leader and more widely. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. Stay blessed.
Okay. To be a happy person, you have to think constructively. You have to look at things in a positive way and determine how it will benefit you. Your brain is a powerful tool, so use it for your advantage. In a positive thinking, it's like look on the bright side of things and stay in that mindset. Having a positive thinking attitude will benefit you in so many ways. It helps you with your mental health as well as your physical health. It is an amazing power that the mind has. Positive people attract positivity to their lives. So there are benefits of positive thinking and constructive thinking, and that is it improves your ability to learn, it lowers depression risk, increase resistance to physical illness, and easier to bounce back after a stressful situation. So what are the ways actually? So it's ways to think positively. Everybody think is a different way. Very simple tips. One, stop negative self-talk. Second, see the humor in things. Third, cultivate optimism. Fourth, always work on being positive. What is self-talk? Well, self-talk is something that we all need to be aware of. For a healthy mind, we want to focus on developing better self-talk and practicing it. Self-talk is our little inner voice. It may not always be loud, so we need to listen for it. It is important to pay attention to this because it can either be positive or negative. In a positive self-talk is what makes you feel good about yourself, and negative makes you feel bad about yourself. Very simple thing, but you need to be very aware of these things. You have to do positive talk with your inner self. Like positive talk have some advantages as well. It can help you with feeling better about yourself, boosting one's confidence, building your self-esteem, creating relationships with and feeling in your control. Everyone should be respected as an individual, but no one idolized. This sentence actually said by Albert Einstein. Because we all are unique. There is not anyone out there like us. Everybody's different. You're as unique as your fingerprints. So each person has its own personality. It is what makes you you and me me. Personality traits can change over time based on our life experiences. People can have positive or negative personalities. Some work well with others and some clash with others. People actually typically gravitate towards people with the similar personalities. They attract each other when they have similar traits and personalities. There are a few components of personality: consistency, impact behaviors, impact actions, and multiple expressions. Widely accepted aspects of personalities are openness, consciousness, extroversion, and agreeableness. Personal application. Everyone needs to put their leadership skills into a place in their own ways. It is up to you to decide what type of leader you want to be and how you can get there. Each person has their own journey, their own plans, their own dreams. And in this journey, of course, one will face upside down, highs and lows. In diversity, it is all around us. People comes from different walks of life and have different opinions. We all learn differently and act differently. What is the biggest responsibility with diversity? It is actually being respectful to everybody. Because uniqueness is what makes world go around. There are some benefits of diversity, and those are increased adaptability, variety of viewpoints, promotes humanistic values, and improves productivity. Then it comes personal problem and workplace problems. In personal problem, as a self-leader, what you can do is like even the best of us have personal problems. It is important how to handle it. It stems from within, and it is something that you need to figure out. If you handle your problems with dignity, it shows that you are a resilient person and a good self-leader. Those who overreact to a personal problem do not lead themselves well. There are some ways, some tips to handle personal problem. It is avoid behaviors that worsen the problem. Be clear about what the actual problem is. Try to see what other people's perspective are. Take control of the problem. Talk it out. Stay calm. Workplace problems as a self-leader. Well, conflict is all around us, and some things in life we run into conflict. So handling problems in the workplace can be tricky sometimes because it must be handled in a professional manner. If you're gonna acting like a non-professional way, that means you're gonna lose the job. You are unable to do that task. Leadership and conflict pretty much go hand in hand. What makes a leader stand out is how well they are able to handle the situation and resolve the conflict so both parties are happy. There are some ways and some tips, some techniques to handle a workplace problem, and those are communicate with each other. Define what is an acceptable behavior. Take the conflict head on. Gather information on the problem. Create multiple options to solve the issue. Be respectful to each other. Get all sides of the conflict and never take sides. I have tried my best to concise this huge topic into these 2 videos. I hope you guys have liked the video. Just make sure whatever you're going to learn from this channel, practice. Stay blessed.